This is a new product setup on the Batchmaster 4 counter. Nothing's in the bowl. Here's the product. Setting it up. Put the product in the bowl. Take it to the bridge, which is controlled through this handle. And then adjust it to the width of the part. Push the handle down. This is used for the height of the part. And this wiper can also be used to adjust for product. We'll go back to the counter. This is a setup screen. Push the load. 25 parts through the skin. It gives you the max volume and min volume of the size of the part. Now all you have to do is put your count in. Say we want to count 5. Put in 5, your slow count is 3. You control your speeds here if you need to adjust them, but now you're ready to run. 5 count. Optimize your speed. Vertical, if you want more vertical, you can add more. That'll make it go a little bit faster. Double is recheck it out. Two parts. Just for a basic setup. Check it out. You can also adjust. You can open up your window or tighten your window. And save this. You go into recipes, you can actually save this by part name, put it in here, load it up, and pull it up anytime in the future for whatever settings that you had. And that's how long it takes to do a setup.